Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 144. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 1, 8, 1, 8. And that means that our 4 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. That 3 makes this our 4. For this top row, we're only missing a 1. And now all we're missing is 3s and 5s, so we can just plug them in however we want. So if we make this a 3, that makes this our 5, 3, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.